Please allow me to introduce you into our Endocutter stapler straight. Hand holder, closing handle, firing handle, shaft rotation knob, manual knife return button, release button, indicator window. This is jaw. We hold our stapler and insert our reloads into the end of the jaw. To make sure the reloads positioning part meets the locating groove, and then press the reloads by your thumb. The reloads firmly stuck in, and remove the protective cover. We hold the closing handle until hear a car sound, the jaw closed and locked. To make sure the closing handle and hand holder close together, like we say, white handle against the white handle. Now insert our instrument through choker. When the Endocutter stapler is inserted into the body cavity, hold the closing handle tightly. Press the release button and keep it. Loose the closing handle. The jaw is now in an opened position. Now we place the jaw of the instrument around the desired tissue. Please note that do not place the tissue at the end of the jaw. We hold the closing handle tightly until hear a car sound, to make sure the closing handle and hand holder close together. To keep at least 15 seconds. Now we hold the firing handle. 1, 2, 3, release. The knife is automatically returned. Here we can check whether the knife has returned to the original position or not. If the knife is here, the anvil jaw can be opened now. Hold the closing handle tightly and press the release button. Jaw opened. Firing finished. Now we hold the closing handle tightly to make sure the jaw is closed. Remove the stapler out of choker. Hold the closing handle and press the release button. Use your thumb to remove the used reloads. Hold the instrument vertically, soak the jaw in sterile solution, and then wipe it dry, to confirm that there is no staples on the surface of the jaw. Repeat above operations to reload a new cartridge for the next firing.
There may be some issues that occurred on your operation when firing on the thick tissue. After 3 fires, the knife should be back to the original position automatically. But now you can see knife is here, didn't back to the original position, and the jaw can't be opened. If this issue happened, please pull the manual release button here. Pull it as hard as you can. Then problem will be solved. The knife back to the original position. Open the jaw. Everything is okay. Sometimes you will find the handle slipped when firing. If this issue happened, let me show you how to solve. Put the tissue into the jaw. Here, please pay attention. The firing handle should be close together with closing handle. That is what we said. Please make sure the blow handle touch white handle. Then you can start next firing. If you didn't make firing handle touch closing handle, then problem happened. The firing handle doesn't work on next firing. The surgeons will find the gun can't work. How to solve? See, hold the firing handle tightly, then continue to fire. See, problem be solved. Yeah, everything is okay. Thank you.